So guys, there's some beautiful style you see online and you'll be tempted to do it. Yeah, this is what really happened to me here. I saw this beautiful style on West African Baby. Shout out to you, and I decided to try it, guys. So guys, I have my hair in this beautiful, did I say beautiful? In this rough twist, big twist I did in my previous video, and I went ahead to section it so that I can divide it and split it into smaller quantity. It gets okay. I went ahead to apply my, what was that? Okay, that was a leave-in conditioner. Apply a leave-in conditioner. Um, section the hair, and I started doing a small twist, mini twist. Yeah, that is what I am going for. And guys, this isn't funny, man. Isn't funny at all. So yeah, I am. I have really gone far. At this point, my hand is already even paining me. And I'm still trying to do the twists. Still trying to get my hair into mini twists, just like seeing, yeah, on YouTube. Oh yeah, so twisting, baby girl, twist that hair. Now, guys, for you to be successful in this style, you really need to be determined. Like, I was determined to see the end of the style and to see how it will finally look on me. Like, I was determined. When I mean determination and my name at this point, I don't giving up. I'm gonna achieve this style. Like, I can't wait to see how it will look on me. So yeah, I'm done with this part, and I decided to go ahead and do a braid it like this. Yeah, this is 3 strand twist. I be braid, whichever one. I just braided it down like this so that I will have a bit of wave when I lose it, and the hair will stretching a bit. I think that's the main reason for this. Okay, and also to get the hair out of the way. Yep, that was the main reason why I did this time around. I didn't wait to finish fitting the whole hair before going further to braid. You get, so I'm gonna do the whole of the hair, the whole of this section I've braided. You get, so yeah. So mind you guys, I'm going to be losing the whole hair, getting it into mini twists before braiding it this way. Okay, I won't take us through all the process, so this video won't be long. Yeah, get what I'm trying to do, right? Yeah, I know you do. So this is the next day. I finished twisting and braiding it down, and man, this is me the next day getting ready to unravel and see how I look. Like I was a bit nervous. Will this thing come out fine or not? But we move. I'm losing it right away to see how it's gonna look on me, and I can't wait. Oh yeah. At this point, I was seeing some coins, and I was like, "Wow, is that how it's gonna look?" But I wasn't really understanding it at this very point. I was like, okay. Maybe because I've not finished losing it, let's go ahead and finish losing it. I'll see how it will look. Yeah. So guys, this is me. I am done losing the hair. This is the whole hair, and this is how it looks. At this point, I'm not understanding the style. I'm still trying to get my hands around it. I say, fine, let me go and wear clothes and dress up. Maybe it will be finer. And here I am, all dressed up to go out and trying to comb my front hair, and I think I'm feeling the hair now. Like, can you see? Yep, I am feeling this hair. Like, I'm feeling it. I love Leah. Yeah, I love it. You can style it, you can pack it, you can do anything with this style. I think I love this style. I'm gonna rock this style perfectly well. And man, I was feeling myself. Because the bounce is for me. Can you see the bounce? Guys, what do you think about the style? Are you gonna rock it? You like it? What do you think? Let me know what you think, guys. I will be leaving now, and to see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.